Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you ways to try and fix no sound or sound not working on an iPhone in iOS. Unfortunately there won't be many methods, and it's possible the problem is due to a hardware fault with the speakers or your sound device. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the methods. The first few methods will be the obvious ones, so feel free to skip past any you've already tried. You might want to have some music or a video ready to try after each method to see if any work. First, try increasing the volume with the buttons on your iPhone. The top button increases the volume. If for some reason the volume buttons don't work on your device, scroll down from the very top right and into the control center. You can increase the volume here by dragging the volume slider up. Next, make sure that the mute switch or button is not on. This shouldn't affect sound from media, but will from most other sounds. If your iPhone has the switch on the side, you'll see orange if the mute is enabled. The next method is to turn off Do Not Disturb if it's turned on. To do this, open the control center by swiping down from the very top right of the screen, then look to see if it says Do Not Disturb with the moon icon. It might just say Focus, in which case you can tap on it and check it's turned off. If it says Do Not Disturb, just tap on it to turn that off. Whilst in the control center, try turning off Bluetooth just in case your iPhone is connected to a Bluetooth speaker or earphones, as this will prevent sound being played by the iPhone's own speakers. It's now worth checking your physical speakers on your device. There could be dust, debris, or even water blocking them and causing them to not work or not work properly. If you think there's dust or debris blocking the speaker, then you can try gently cleaning it. Also check that your case is not blocking the speaker. A good way to test where the problem is originating from is to plug in some headphones or earphones to test the sound. If another device works fine, then you can say with some certainty that the problem is unfortunately related to the physical hardware or speakers on your iPhone, and you will most likely need to get this checked and fixed in a repair shop or by Apple. We've still got some more possible solutions though if the problem is the same no matter which sound device you use. Now would be a good time to restart your iPhone if you haven't already. You could try this at the end of the video or do it now, but when you return, we still have a few more methods to try. You can restart your iPhone by holding the power button and the volume up button for a few seconds. Then swipe to the right where it says slide to power off, and then after a few more seconds, hold the power button again to turn on the device. Next, we'll check the speaker balance on your iPhone. You could check this is set to normal or use it to fix a slight problem with one of the sides of your sound. To do this, open the Settings app and then tap on Accessibility from the list. Within here, tap on Audio Visual and then look for the slider called Balance. Drag this to the left or right to change the sound balance of your device and see if these either helps fix or improves the problem. If the issue is only with certain apps, then it's likely that the app itself is the problem. There won't be much you can do to fix this, but you could head to the App Store to see if there are any updates for the app. Whilst on the subject of updates, it's worth updating iOS if there's one available. Head to the Settings, then General, then Software Update to see if there are any. Unfortunately, those are all of the methods I have. If the sound still isn't working, you might need to get the device repaired. Check your warranty information or try contacting Apple support to view your options and to see if there's anything else to try. As always, I'll keep the description updated with any new solutions I find, and if any of you find a fix in the future, then it would be great if you could return to the video and post it in the comments to help others. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.